If you have a YouTube channel, you need to ask yourself these three questions, which is, what do you like? What are you good at? What do you do? Hi guys, once again, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're just seeing my face for the first time, my name is Toyin, and today That Girl Toyin. And so guys, I promised in my previous video I was going to do a video titled Top 30, or let's say YouTube ideas for YouTube channels in the year 2021. And don't worry, I'm not going back on my promise. This video is all about YouTube ideas, so I have them listed down here with me, but we have to act like as if everything is up here, but sometimes So these are the top 30 ideas that I have actually thought about, that I have looked around, I've searched, I've seen channels, and I guess this is what you can also do. Please and please, if you are seeing my videos for the first time and you love what you see and you love what I'm doing, please subscribe. Click the red button and subscribe. So these are my top 30 YouTube ideas for a channel in 2021. Sorry that my hands are like everywhere. So the number one I have is unboxing videos. Okay, trust me, I see a lot of unboxing videos. I'm like, and again, most of the unboxing videos I do watch are unboxing videos of, let's say, unboxing CD albums of Blackpink or CD albums of BTS. I'm a diehard fan of Blackpink and BTS. Okay, that's one secret I let you guys know right now. I love Blackpink and BTS. So unboxing videos, unboxing a new product, be it product, be it an album, be it home appliance, electronics. Unboxing videos are actually videos whereby you can actually blow up. Another video idea is personal story video. Okay, I get that this kind of videos are actually very heart touching, they're actually warm, and some people don't like to do them. But if you have the mind to actually do it and actually let out your personal story to the whole world, people will sit down and wait for gist. People like gist a lot. People just love listening to gist. Like, I don't know, there's even when I watched and I was glued for 14 minutes. Story videos are kind of videos that you can watch till the end. Another idea I have is product review. Okay, so you can actually do a product review on, like, for example, I see tech reviews whereby they review iPhones, like new iPhone 12. I just watched one on that. And if you're actually a tech guru, a tech genius, these product reviews can actually be for you. Product reviews not only based on tech, but also on cooking products too, or air products. You can actually review this product, tell people why you like the product, why this product is this. This kind of video can actually be added to your niche. It depends on whatever you're doing. Maybe you're into tech, and then you can just do a review on phones. If you're into cooking, you can do a review of appliances and the likes and the rest like that. Another video I can also do, which I actually love, is comedy sketch videos. Trust me, there are a lot of comedians on YouTube, likes of Liza Koshy, likes of Lily Singh, Thomas Cabin, Maraji, Mr. Macaroni, MC Lively, guys like that. They're actually very funny and actually watch their videos. So if you are very funny and can make people laugh by just just what you see, just make people laugh, like okay, they're laughing. So you can actually start a comedy channel, like a YouTube comedy channel. But also you can get it mixed up with it, but get videos mixed to just spice it up. But comedy channel also that. In another video you can do are tutorial videos. Okay, tutorial videos are one of the videos I actually love to see on YouTube. I love watching cooking tutorials. I don't know why. I eat. Or should I say I don't really eat, but I eat. Sorry, I like food, but I'm slim. But I love watching cooking tutorials, like how to cook this, how to cook that. I just love seeing all the ingredients together in one place. I get this kind of feeling that, I don't know, I just love it. And there are game tutorials too. If you're a gamer and just want to give tutorials on how this game is played, Call of Duty, and other games like that. And also tutorials on makeup. Makeup tutorials are one of the most popular tutorial ever on YouTube. Makeup tutorial, aside cooking, makeup tutorial is actually very popular. Then another video you can also do is challenges. Okay, so I did challenge videos. I made challenge videos last year, and I did on try not to laugh, I did on try not to sing, I did on Instagram. Can you guess the Nigerian Instagram celebrity or Nigerian Instagram personality? And I think I'm gonna make sure I'm going to leave a card right up here so you guys can actually click on it and actually watch it. So that's a challenge. I challenged my friend to actually name. So I actually impersonated these celebrities and she guessed them. That's what she did. So another video you can do are pranks. So if you're a prankster and you were born to be a prankster and okay, you can prank people, then you can actually do this video too, because it is what you do and it's what you love. Another video that I can actually do are travel vlogs. Okay, I love to watch travel vlogs. I'm like, I don't get to travel a lot, so when I see travel vlogs, I'm like, wow, okay. Like, for example, I watch a lot of Nigeria to Dubai vlogs. I watched a lot of Nigeria to Dubai vlogs this past month that just went by, and I was like, okay, I wish I can travel like that, so I'll just make a vlog like that. And for travel vlogs, just ensure that you have a camera lens that can keep easily mobile, and it's not the one that can actually carry and it won't weigh you down. Yes, so another video you can do is question and answer. This is not like an introduction video. This is like let me say, you can do this video right after 2 months or 3 months after opening your YouTube channel. Just call your subscribers or tell them to actually ask you questions and you answer them, then get to answer the one you can answer. Or if you're actually very, very popular, you can actually answer questions from Google. Like, just type what people ask about you on Google, like people assumptions about you, and then answer them. I see most of the title be like people assumptions about me, question and answer. Another video you can do are rants. See, for rant videos are kind of videos where I just talk about a particular topic. But if you know that you actually you can't really talk without making a mistake, you have to write a script. It's just in the script, you just know what to say. Okay, this is what I have to say. So for ranting, just pick a particular topic you just want to rant about, and make sure you add a little comedy into it. Make sure it is fun. Another video idea is animal videos. If you have cute animals like that, you can actually make animal videos. Then another video that you can also do are interview videos. Interview videos where I just interview people on your channel. Make sure it is fun, entertaining, and educating as well. So you can actually interview people on your channel, and people get to understand, okay, for a particular topic, get someone who is actually into what you're talking about, into that particular topic. Just get them, and then you guys just talk about them. Another video I have here listed down here is room tour or house tour. This is actually one of the most popular videos I see on YouTube. And for this kind of video, just get a camera and also a location. Like, just get a camera. Like, if it's your room, just get your camera ready, and then try to tell people, okay, this is where I keep my things, this is where I keep my things, this is where I keep my bed. Use an house tour, show everybody the bed, your bedroom, your toilet, your bath, your sitting room, your living room, everywhere in the room. Another video you can do that I have listed down here are educational videos, in case you want to educate people on different things like mathematics, like a particular topic in math. Make sure your videos are actually educational. Like, you want to teach people on the feminine hygiene. Like, I love Dr. Simi. I love her channel. She's a doctor and she talks on feminine hygiene. I love her channel so much. It's very educational. Get to learn, okay, this is what the female body actually understands. Another video you can do are tips on YouTube growth, tips on growth on yourself, tips. But majorly I see tips on YouTube growth. I see people saying how to gain 0 to 1,000 subscribers in so months, how to gain 100 subscribers every day, how to do this, how to do that, how to do this, how to do that. So most of those tip videos are actually how-to videos, and they tend to actually teach people on how to create their channel, how to go globally, how to have actually some of these tips works. But I say this to people that what might work for someone might not work for the other person. So maybe they're following the tips and work for the person, and another tip is work for the person. Another video I have here are things to do. Like, I see these things to do videos whereby it's a YouTuber is actually bored and they be like, okay, things to do when you are lonely, things to do when you're home alone, things to do when you are the only one in school, things to do when you are. So these things to do videos are actually very popular videos on YouTube. Another video idea I have here is cute videos. So cute videos are one of the videos I love, especially when I subscribe to this channel called The Dodo, and yes, The Dodo, D-O-D-O, and majorly about animals, very cute animals. If you have animals that are very cute, or your baby is very cute. I notice most channels with babies and animals, they tend to have high views, and YouTube tends to recommend these videos to me. I don't know why, but cute videos are actually very good, and they, like, if you have a baby or a very cute animal, you just make a video on them and you're good to go. Another video idea I have here is life hack or DIY, do it yourself. So if you know any life hack, if you know how to change a rag to a clothes, or change an old clothes to a new clothes, or just change, most DIYs I have in my head are actually clothing DIYs, but they're also cooking DIYs too. Like, if this particular equipment is not in your kitchen, you can actually improvise. So most, if you know you are good at this, you can actually use this in your channel. Then another one are animation animations. If you are very good with 3D graphics and how to use Maya and Blender, these are apps. You can actually go into animations, teach people how to create animations. Another video idea I have here are comparison videos, whereby I have the top 10 makeup brush. I just guessed. Another video idea that I know that is actually very popular on YouTube is when you have to showcase your talent. If you are good at singing, dancing, or you have football skill, any skill you're actually good at, and you put it out there and people actually love it, that kind of video tends to actually blow up. Another video here is daily routine. Be it a skincare routine, be it a day in your life, just show people, okay, this is what I do. Majorly a skincare routine, nighttime routine. I see different kind of routines like that. So these are ideas that you can also use for your YouTube video. Another idea that you can actually use on your channel is favorite characters from a TV series or movies. So you can just talk about a movie and you just list out your favorite characters, or even basically, yeah, majorly movies, and then just talk about your favorite characters in the movie and you are good to go. Another video I have here are reaction videos. Okay, so this is what I started with, and reaction videos are actually videos whereby you give your genuine reactions to them. Like, you've not seen this video, and again, reaction videos are videos that people get to recommend for you. Like, people get to recommend a video for you and you actually have to react to them, and your reaction is what they're actually looking at. The thing is that people know what this video is all about, but they want to see your reaction to it. And another video highlight you can do is favorite movie or favorite TV series. Just list them out. My favorite movies of 2020, favorite movies from 1990, favorite TV series from 1990s, favorite TV series from 2000. So just do like that. These are ideas that I can actually use for movie reviews. So I did that, like, you know, some couple of weeks ago. So movie reviews are actually whereby you review a movie, but ensure that you try to give a movie a thumbs up. But also when you review a movie, you talk about the good side and the bad side too. So but at the end of it all, just try to just crank it up and be like, okay, this movie is actually good. Just try your best, even though you don't like it, because there are a lot of subscribers watching and they maybe love the movie and their opinion may not go with what you said, but I don't know, they have to just come to a conclusion that, okay, the movie is actually good. Then another video idea I have here is actor bio. You can actually create a channel just talking of actor biographies. You can do actor bio, and there are a lot of different actors and actresses, so just list them out, talk about their biography and what they have, how many kids, their hobbies, their talents, and this right now. So another video idea I have here are fitness videos. Okay, a lot of people want to lose weight, so you can actually open a channel and just start fitness videos. You can do, okay, squats per day, lunges, and the rest like that. So fitness videos also, that's a very good idea. And the last but not the least, I think I listed 30 already, and this is my 30th, is business videos, like videos related to business. And that's why I love this guy's channel, Dan Lock channel. Business ideas, he gives a lot of business ideas, and you know, so channels that actually give a lot of business ideas are actually very, very good. And also channels that actually give tips on how to beat YouTube algorithm, how to achieve the 4,000 watch hour on time. I noticed on YouTube, a lot of YouTube videos actually get to pop up, yeah, how-to videos, because a lot of people want to know how to do this, how to create this, how to do that. So you can do things educational, entertainment, comedy, film, animation, travel, music, dance, lifestyle, anything you want to do. But these are the top 30 ideas for YouTube videos in 2021. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope for new subscribers, thank you guys for subscribing, because I know you subscribed. And for people who want to start a YouTube channel, these are the top 30 ideas I have for you for 2021 that will make your channel blow up. So whatever idea you want to incorporate to your channel will be fine. So thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe. Expect a new change to ThatgirlToyin channel this year, 2021. And I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.